Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing Shaltear Bloodfallen from Overlord by Good Smile Company. This is of course, the Nendoroid. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright y'all, this is what's all included. She comes with her signature umbrella, of course. It's made of plastic. That's the inside. This is the handle part for the umbrella. It also has the hand already attached to it. She of course comes with her display stand along with the connector. She also includes 3 changeable hand parts and arm parts. Of course, she has her book that she can read. This is one of her changeable faces. And then this is her second one. And then of course we have Shaltear herself. Alright, let's go ahead and get her into some poses. Okay, so here she is in just her standard pose. Although she does have the base on right now, she can actually stand without it and balance herself pretty well. There she is from behind. Okay, here she is with the umbrella in her disgusted faceplate. I did find the umbrella very difficult to deal with. This probably isn't how it's supposed to be, but it's got to be pretty close. There she is from behind. Okay, here she is holding her little book. Alright, here's her last faceplate. Kind of cheeky looking, blushing face. All in all, I think that Shaltear translates pretty well into a Nendoroid. Those are all her pieces. I'll probably try to display her with her little umbrella, but I'm not sure because it is kind of annoying to deal with. Yeah, this has been Shaltear Bloodfallen. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.